Hi friends, and welcome to Decorate Your Life, Scrapbooking and Card Making. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you some craft room storage idea using some bins from the Dollar Tree. What I love about this idea is that it stores my crafting supplies in smaller manageable bins. I'm able to break them down into smaller categories so that when I need to use a certain stamp or ribbon, I just go to that particular bin and it's right there for me. And to me, this method of storing my crafting supplies is more efficient and a whole lot tidier than if I was to use larger containers. For my storage bins, I'm using the Dollar Tree 8x9 bin, and in this video you see me use an old one that I pulled out of my closet. And if you don't have a Dollar Tree nearby, I'll leave you with a link to their collapsible storage containers in the area underneath the video. And if you're curious about the number of containers that I'm using in my craft room right now, I have a total of 30. To alter your Dollar Tree bin, you begin by removing the inside cardboard piece. You then find the middle stitch part on the outer sides of your bin and split it right down the middle. Then you take your cardboard piece and fold it in half and trim right along that half line. Now you take your half piece, put it inside the other, and glue it down using your hot glue gun. Then make sure that you go over any of the areas that you may have missed. Now you're ready to hot glue the one half of the cardboard that you trimmed to the inside of your bin and the other half to the outside of your storage bin. And that's pretty much it, friends. I hope that you found this craft room supply storage solution helpful, and let me know if you think this is going to work for you. Thank you so very much for subscribing to my channel, commenting on my videos, and a thumbs up is definitely appreciated. I'll see you once again in the next video. Bye for now.